Brandon and Ashley here. We're in Asheville, North Carolina. We are currently sitting at the trailhead for Crabtree Falls. This is a 1.5 mile hike to the waterfall and 1.5 miles back. So it's a 3-mile round trip. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a view of the parking lot and the trailhead and the surrounding areas in case you guys are having trouble finding this place. You know what it looks like. You can refer back to my video, but I'm not going to bore you with a bunch of statistics right now. I'm going to go ahead and get down to hiking and take you guys to the waterfall, get to the point. Why don't you go ahead and give me a like and subscribe if you like when YouTube videos get straight to the point. Guys, I'm mostly joking when I talk about videos taking 5 to 10 minutes before they start talking about what the header of the video is. I know everybody is a victim of that. Sometimes we have time for it, sometimes we don't. And I know in some of my past videos, I have a tendency to add some extra clips in there that some people may or may not want to see. But hopefully in this video we can keep it nice and short for you guys. That's the goal. I mean, who wants to sit there and spend 20-25 minutes on a YouTube video? Not all of us have time for that. So let's go. Guys, we are here in mid-October, and as you can see, the trees have started changing. I would say this is probably one of the best times of the year to come to this waterfall, besides the spring, because the spring, you know, we have more rainfall. There's starting to be a little bit of runoff at the waterfalls, and they just flow much heavier than, you know, that of a winter or a summertime. So this is peak season right here. The leaves are beautiful. The weather is mild. It feels like it's about 50-55 degrees maybe, and just great weather to hike. Guys, I don't know if you can see this over here. We've walked maybe 300-400 yards onto the trail, and there are campsites here, so you can definitely spend the night here. It would give you a good opportunity to, you know, do some things, see the waterfall at sunrise, sunset. So you can just see people all over here. It looks really family oriented and welcoming, safe. There's picnic tables all over the place if you want to sit down and eat. Let's go. Okay guys, we have an RV area over here. If you like to RV park, or RV camp, sorry, that's also an option here as well. Ashley and I used to have an RV. We did a 2-month road trip out west. This looks like a really awesome place. It's right next to the other campsite. The trail has a lot of signs, so I assume it would be very hard to get lost here.
As you guys can see, we're experiencing some awesome foliage today. Lots of bright yellows and oranges and reds. We have been driving all along the Blue Ridge Parkway this morning to get to Crabtree Falls. We stayed in Asheville last night and we'll be back in Asheville tonight as well. Really awesome spot if you're looking for you know, just experiencing the Blue Ridge Parkway and getting to see all the leaves. There's tons of short trails all along it, and staying in Asheville put us like right in the middle, which was really awesome. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, so we are currently sitting down at the base of the waterfall, and like I said at the beginning of this video, I don't want to take up too much of your time today. It's a 3-mile round trip. It's 1.5 miles down. You're going to do most of the climbing on your way back to the parking lot. But one thing you should know is that the trail has a lot of thick tree stumps and rocks all along the way, slick rocks as well. I would definitely recommend you wear boots that have a lot of traction for when you're hiking, high ankle support, things like that. Also, the rocks down by the waterfall obviously are wet, so they're going to be slippery. So having nice traction is one thing that you should definitely consider when coming down here. But I'm going to give you guys one last glance at the waterfall, and you should know that when you get here, you are going to be amazed. It is much larger than what I thought it was going to be, and it's much larger than what it looked like in pictures. It is definitely worth the trip. Again, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Know before you go. So if you need to reference this video again for any information, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and save that video to a hiking album, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks. Hey guys, so I was talking to Ashley and just got word this actually is a national forest. So what that means is that yes, there are campsites and RV spots up at the top of the trail, but you can also camp wherever you would like in a national forest as well for free. So you don't have to pay anything. If you have a tent, if you have your camp set up, you can come on out here and set up shop and have a good time.